welcome. Whoa! Look at my new desktop wallpaper. I realized just before the stream that I've had my wallpaper since ages, and since I am streaming, why not welcome you all to to the Horticular key art. Awesome. I really like how it is when I look at my computer and a gnome is staring at me. Whoa, Waffles. You're early. You're supposed to come in like 45 minutes. Or so, ish, if I remember correctly. Welcome everyone, welcome. Oof, I'm really tired today. Exhausted, I should say. I didn't sleep so well, so I took an extra nap, or an extra lie-in, I would say. And I guess it's just been a long day. Long day, I'm tired, I'm not sure exactly what to do with Horticular today. I'm not sure what to do this stream. I was thinking about it, and I was like, there are no good... I mean, unless a noob has some very cool request for me to to implement during the stream. I'm not sure what I could do with, like, development-wise. Actually, I have raised my... Sorry, this is a tangent. I have raised my chair slightly, and now I am offset. I also feel like the angle is... Am I not more normally over here? And now I... this setup. Okay, can I do my thing? Yes. Good enough. Good enough. What was I saying? Right, I don't know what to do. So I was thinking, like, the fallback is always play Horticular. There's always play the Horticular with the new beta version of Anoob's mod. However, I kind of feel like I should wait until it's released, you know, to get the full mod experience. So maybe that's not the route to go, but in that case, I'm not sure what to do. I wish I had any, you know, development I could do, like, in front of you. So, you know, like painting pixel art, for instance. Like, I could always do a pixel art stream, actually. That's true. I haven't done that in a while. Yeah, that could be fun, actually. Like, I do like painting things. Make your own mod. You might be onto something there too. What can I do that is completely off brand, that's creatively, you know, extremely fun to commit to? I know we did we did a few streams like coding back in, was it this summer or so? I don't know. So we could do something like, what if keepers had guns? And that was their or swords or something, and that's their animation for everything they do, like beat things with a sword. Oh, I would hate animating things though on stream. That's really rough. But that could be a fun one to actually, like, mod something fun in. When I stream... Oh, you stream, Waffles? I didn't know this. My setup is just a phone overheating on a stack of books, filming the CRT monitor. Whoa. I wonder, does it look good? I mean, as far as I know, video of a CRT is fine, right? Exactly, turn Horticular into a war-torn hellscape. I think we're gonna do this. And the thing is, I don't need to make it a mod. I can just edit all of the assets as they are. I will now turn on talking head. There we are, perfect. I am unsure what I have in these folders now, so I'm just going to take the safe route and make sure I don't show anything secret. So here's Horticular, perfect. Should just be a second There we go. Oh, I was also thinking, yeah, I need to do a release. That's true. At some point I need to patch Horticular with the bug fix I did last week. I'm just waiting a bit. There could be maybe something else pops up, you know, a noob has some weird request. And then I could squeeze it all into the same 1.6.2 update. Okay, we have the game here, perfect. And then we just need to, sorry you don't see this. Then I just need to open the data for it. And I think I can show you now. Where is it? There we go. War-torn hellscape. What did you say? Yes, hellscape. I do like the sound of that. Just, or you know, just try making things look a bit different. Like, what if grass was waste? I don't know. I'm not so creative today. As you can see, if you have any ideas, I'm happy to just paint it. Yeah, being tired, it's like for some reason creativity isn't my strength today. I'm quite good at executing things serially and not thinking too much. A noob is secretly running the game. I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, hey, I shouldn't show anything here. I knew this would happen. It's fine, you saw nothing. What are we doing now? There we go. Wait, I should make sure. One check. One check. Sorry, again. And done. Now we have grass. So it's not so much that Anub is running the game, but I do appreciate his his monthly payment packages. Okay, what to do with... Okay, I do like the... Yeah, it's not super crazy anything, so feel free to frame by frame it. I'm just starting to feel a bit... like I need to keep my ducks in a row better. I still remember the stream we did, and I showed like... Because it was logging everything, and it showed the login information to Steam for the Indirection Games account. It's like, that's a stupid mistake. 2FA is enabled, so you couldn't have done anything anyways. And I changed the password since, but still, it's like... Yes, I got some money just for targeting your world, by the way. I'm so looking forward to the mod, by the way. Oh, by the way, whenever a noob shows up, we are definitely doing a spotlight. Once he's releasing. So Slugdisco asked me to just, you know, once it's getting closer in time, to give some additional information on the mod. I don't know, maybe we could even get a noob to give a statement. That would be cool. Just do some appreciation for all the hard work. Okay, what am I doing with grass? What could be fun with grass? Hellscape. Okay, then I'm just thinking, you know, World War One. I'm not sure that is correct, but yeah, what can I come up with? Hold on, what do we have? Because we have the grass. Also, the waste is okay. That would be interesting. Because nothing can be on waste. So what if waste is like a void? It's not like it's not land. It's a void. I want to see how this looks. This is fun. Now I'm having fun. Because a void should be easy. We just do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add a skull. Yes, I was thinking of skull as well. There should be some skulls. And I'm thinking of now doing the void from... if you ever played Diablo 2, there's in the second act... forgot how you got there, but you're entering some kind of starry void world. Actually, just do this. And now we have the void. I don't know how this is gonna look, but it cannot be too bad, can it? Let's save. And now I need to run the game. Again, making sure there's nothing here. I really do wish I had a streaming... No, this is just normal game stuff. Streaming PC. Like, I wouldn't fit one here, but it would be so nice to Celestial Garden, a Starry Void. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. That's kind of cool, right? Also, there is like... I can show you. What was I saying before that? I forgot. Something about the void? No. Oh, whatever. It comes back. It comes back if it was important, which it wasn't. Yeah, this should be fine. I think this will just work. We might have to redesign the garden borders to maybe make them like floaty thingies. And I guess we could package this into a mod later if you ever want to play the... I was trying to figure out the name. Oh, this looks... All right, we need to make all of the like grassy bits into like hovering magic stuff, and we should be good. A moon tile which is the same color as that sandcastle that's made out of trees. Hey now. Oh, I have sea adventures installed. Okay, that's going to be an issue, I think. Hold on. I installed it because I was fixing a bug. Let's see, mods. Yep. Sorry about this. And I think I can reload. I should be able to do updates to the textures and reload them, so we don't need to restart the game every time. I think. We'll see. Oh, I was talking about streaming computers. Thank you, Waffles, for the for the handy reminder, kind of. Yeah. I would love a streaming computer and just have it set up for streaming. You know, no worries about spoiling things or whatever, and just being able to get into the stream quickly without setting stuff up every time. You know, it's a bit of a hassle. Okay, this black void is not as black as I would want, but it kind of looked like not so good. But we will solve this. Wait, what? Another tube monitor for 125 euros? Yeah, it's like Aruguro says. I don't have as much space as I would like. You basically see it in the camera almost, plus some more space, but I need to buy an office. Oh, that's the dream, literally. Okay, we can deal with this quickly. It's such a uninteresting mod. And I don't want to change any code, because so what you don't see here is when I... Oh, thank you for the tutorials. Wait, I don't need you. Like when you dig, there's this, you see the side of the tile, and if we just didn't render not anything, it actually goes down quite far, so it looks like one of those floating islands kind of situation. Oh wait, what? I shouldn't make it black. I should just make it transparent. Solution found. All right. Okay, I'm gonna see if this works now. Because I have a thingy called reload textures. Okay. I'm not sure this script works anymore. It's been a while, but we'll see. And then I need to do a reload textures. Also, it will have kept the texture cached, so I think I need to restart the game. And if this doesn't work, we need to actually restart everything. I just want to make it look like it's, you know, proper proper space, but alas. Welcome, Anub. We were talking about you. Waffles is so fascinating. The backlight rotary phone was sleeping, fell down when I was sleeping. Holy mo! I mean, first of all, that sucks. Ah, that's not a good color. But also, that you have a rotary phone at home is that's funny to me. That between that and the CRT, I can see a pattern. Okay, so it's not as much a starry void as would hope. Also it flickers a bit. Warning. Maybe it wasn't a good idea, this. Meh. Okay, hold on. What if I... I just don't want to make any code for this. Maybe it's a bad idea. I really wanted to make it work. I know vector. Yeah, okay. Here we go. Oh yeah, right. The disco. Perfect. A payphone your dad stole. Wait, what has happened? Oh right, we still see. Oh no, the rendering tech didn't like this. I mean, this looks kind of cool, I think. But it's optimized, and I think I want to do something with this though. Huh. Okay. Okay, I'm going to change this. This won't be a proper mod then, I guess. But now I'm curious if we can make it. Come on, make it pretty. To not worry you too much, Anub. The real topic was that we're doing a highlight thingy whenever you're. A spotlight, I should say. Highlight spotlight. Whenever your mod is releasing. So whenever that is, it would also be really cool if we, I mean, you don't have to, but it would be cool to have like a statement or something from you, like, why did you make this mod? Or something, I don't know. It's like Disco just asked me yesterday what the state is, and if like when it's getting closer to launch, if I could provide some information. Because I really think it's something I want to do to highlight all of the effort you put into modding. What's it called now again? Something. Okay, now I know. It's up here. Update all. God, this code is the worst, by the way. And this is not where I'm going. Here we go. We'll just hack this for now. So what we're doing now is Sorry. What we're doing now is making sure that that you always see the side. I really want to point to my screen, and that's that's me right now. A bit tired. Here it is. Here it is. Let's just do it through. Boom. Oh no, that also sucks. Oh, that's not very clever. I only want to show this if, okay, we can do this then. If ground data dot I shouldn't be coding right now. This is not my... No, wait. If it's not... There we go. Oh. Oh. Hold on. I think I will have to skip this. It's going to be not so good. Because it's always going to have these odd... Oh man, look at this. Never mind. Okay, back to the drawing board. Back to the drawing board. Abort, abort, abort. Okay, waste. We'll have to go back to being waste. So let's do it red. Demonic or something. So if you're wondering what's going on, I'm basically at a loss for what to do with the streams right now. I really have not much to do, like I do think pixel art could be a good way to go because it's fun and it doesn't need to be so serious or anything. And I haven't done pixel art in a while, and you know, it could be like updating my profile picture because that one is pixel art, for instance. So we'll see. Hold on. No, that's right. There we go. Those were kind of cool if you think of them as floating asteroids. Ah, you're not wrong. You're actually not wrong. Can I make it look black and okay, I'm doing one more effort. One more effort. We can do this. I have done this before, but there are so many like weird optimizations now. What if I populate. I can just do this. Oh, no. Hold on. There we go. Is space. Is void. And then we have what if I do this? No. Here we go. Is void. So I'm thinking this sucks so much. The whole game is built around not doing this. So there are some issues with this, but if blah 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 is equal to... Okay. Isn't there like a... I'm trying this again. And then we have set ground. So if it's not void, then we show the thingy. And I think I might skip these. It's not void or that. Let's try. I'm currently speeding through the quests and the mod. It looks like it's so big. Like when you drop that, you casually add 6 more animals. It feels like it's a huge mod. Huge mod. Has it been working out, by the way, with the bug fix? Any issues? I don't know when I'm going to do a release. Oh. That looks funny. Oh, did I save this? It's really big. Cool. Yeah. Oh. Oh, right. Sorry. Now I know. If it's void, we do nothing. I think we can do this. Boop. Alright, now it's it looks like snow, but we will fix this. Okay, these stones need to look like they're floating. Okay, but we can do this. If I'm allowed to do code, then we can... wait. I also need to... Sorry, this... Right. If... Okay. Doesn't need to be pretty. Here we... What? Yaha. I'm not sure what I'm doing right now. Hold on. I wanted to get rid of the little dirt surrounding the thingies. Oh, it's not dirt. Never mind. That is the... Ah, I see. That's the, like, tile thingy. That's a square. Okay. Question. Then I actually remove this. No, maybe I don't. Can we disable stencils, or did I remove that option? Nice. Set render I might have bound this. Okay. I will just restart. You will see. We're going to have squares now. We won't have never mind. This is good. Garden renderer. So I'm going to make the space now. Because there's a clear somewhere here. Yep. I need another clear. Nope. It's reflections. Here we go. Boom! We're in space now. Okay, now this is like... Wait, why are things disappearing? Oh, it's because of... Well, it will have to do. 82 grounds. Holy cannoli. How does that even work with the ground selector? Okay. 650 items. The item selector will grind to a halt, maybe. Does it work? Enough? Well enough? 139 mail, 433 quests triggers. That's actually really cool. I assume it's not all quests, or I mean, I guess you have one quest per animal, that was your thing. Ooh, it's a space garden. Okay, I realized one mistake. Oh, this is hard to find stuff in. I look forward to not returning to this code at some point. It's void and is not null. Wait, what? There we go. Boom. Ooh. Yeah, total conversion is definitely the correct thing, I agree. Oh no, they can walk on the void. We need to make sure that they hover when they do this. And if I'm allowed to hack, I can do it quickly. Empty that and let's do it this way. Nope. There we go. Okay, because there is a thing. An entity. Wait, does this have the time? Aha. One pass. Okay, this sucks. Well, this is fine. I don't even know the name. Is void. Then we do. Uh-oh. They disappeared. Hold on. Oh, total seconds. Sorry, this should be a math.sin. Sin. Perfect for our hellscape. There we go. I was thinking a bit quicker though. Maybe not 10 pixels, but more 5. Yeah. Let's do 3 and do way quicker. Ooh. This is so stupid. What's happening in chat? The game is handling itself very fine for now. Perfect. The only issues... Oh, I actually asked about that earlier. If a noob has anything worthwhile for me to look into during the stream, I'm happy to. Some animals have trouble finding food, and selling an expansion creates waste instead of the custom ground. Oh, selling an expansion. Oh. Right, because you don't do that in the DLC, so I think I just probably skipped that. So it doesn't... So when you say custom ground, you mean the default ground, right? That's a setting somewhere. I can take a look at that, honestly. Gnomes in space! Also, look when they land. Wait, land. Land. Oh, come on. Hey, land. Broop. Ooh. Okay, good. Honestly, everything out in space should be hovering like this, I think. I wonder if it should be slower though, because this... Okay. No, I lost it. Yeah. Awesome. Awesome. Okay, then items. Items need to also... Good enough. Also hover. Fortunately, I can just do this. We don't care. Ooh. Okay, we cannot do it at the same time, I realize now. It looks a bit odd, because I need to... I also think it should be way slower with items, by the way. So... Maybe... Like this? Yeah, that feels way better. But I cannot do it at the same time, so we need to add an offset. Let's just do a... do I know the point here? Yes. X coordinate offset, maybe? Oh, not times, sorry, plus. Yeah. Also, waste is forced to be in the lore tab, even when there's no way to get it. Oh, I see. Disable selling expansions. I mean, that could work too. Though I feel like just using the default texture makes even more sense and should be easier to do. Let's have a look on stream in a bit. I just want to do a bit more space. Ideally there would be like stars in the background. Not sure how I could quickly get that in. And maybe these rocks needs to be actual like asteroids. That could be cool. Oh, and these... Oh, these need to hover too. What if every patch of land actually hovers slightly as well? Get default. No, this is not here. Never mind. 1 second. Else if past... Sorry. Is void. Hold up, I had one here, I think. Wait, what? It just works now? Hold on, what? Oh, I used selected. Ah, but that also adds like a shine thing. There we go. What? No. Yeah. Look at this. Space adventure looks kind of sick, to be honest. I do agree. It's like your boat mod, but in space, like a StarCraft thing or so. Ooh. And oh, I'm still on the tutorial. Add some flowers. You can't place here because it's the space. I do want stars though. I really need to add stars. And that's going to be kind of sucky to just do quickly. That could either be like a shader thing, but then I need to do stuff. That sucks. Okay, anything else I can do to make it look more spacey without... Oh, right, these. I mean, they kind of work when they're hover, but if it was just orbs, I think that would be cooler. Oh, could we somehow render the space background from like the intro first, and also render it onto the game world? I'm not sure it would work, but that would be kind of cool. I do know how to do it. Okay, bear with me. I'm going to hack this, and then I will do a quick look at a noob's thingy. Recycling. Yep. So. Step 1. We have the debug sprite patch, so we can use this. I do need to initialize some kind of UI system, which is... I guess we have no choice. Well, I didn't expect to add a UI system here, but here we go. Because then I just do need a display. Do we have a display here? If not, I'm already cooked. I think this one has a display. Then we need a mouse. It's very needed, this thing. There we go. Now I have a UI system. Step 2. When we draw... No, we should first add to it. UAH.children elements. Yes. Hold on. INnumerable. Okay. New star field. Because I have a component for this. Moving equals true. I have no idea what's going to happen. Okay, so that's the UI system now. The bad thing is I also need a render target. Star target. Oop. Oop. Okay, but now we're closing in. So now we have a render target, and all we need to do is, hold on. think I'm doing it here actually. So now we do star target dot, no wait. Oh, maybe we don't need star target. UI system. Actually, we need to restart, otherwise it's going to crash. Dot draw, not drag, draw. Can use the spite batch. Do we need to begin it? I don't think so. No crash, please. I have a bad feeling of this. Okay, not crashing at least. Might be not the right place to do it though. Hold on. Where is it? I mean, that play in that case is probably like here. No? Oh no. Oh, this is a reflection target. Hold on. No, this is deferred. Oh, this is going to suck. Okay. I'm doing it this way then. No, I'm not. Ah, it's harder than I thought. Because we have the deferred target here. But if I bind it, it might be cleared. Oh, okay. I give it 5 more minutes and then I move on to a noobs thing. This is like the worst hacking I've done in a while. Ambient. What I could do is otherwise just do some shader magic. That's kind of fine. So yeah, we clear the thing is here, so it would not go that well. Okay. Welcome to the world of Horticular's shaders. I just want to see this for a second. So in theory, what if I do this? What if I do this? Okay. We do have star target. Okay, we removed that. Good. I'm just going to try star target dot get target graphics. Oh no, let me get. Oh no. I'm just going to copy everything because I am lazy. Sorry, messed up. Preserve contents. That's good to know. Okay. We have a star target. We have a this thing. Now we have a UI. Oh, the draw, not drag, draw. Yep. And finally, I need to actually draw the thing. There's something there. There might be. Aha. Seems invisible to me. Okay. All right, because the UI system needs updating. Yeah, okay. So what you see now is a bug. But you can see that the stars are rendered as well. Doesn't look good. What I need to do then is star target dot. I need to clear it somehow, and is it here? Nope. Let's just display. Where's the white? Clear. Colors dot black. No, color dot black. Thought it was transparent. Yes. Update draw. Good. Okay, so now you see stars a bit better. Yay, there are stars. We're kind of getting there. Hold on. Hold on. So the final bit is to somehow now get them behind everything. But I needed to at least check first that we got it working. Because what I can do now is I can try putting it there, but that won't work because for reasons. So, hold on. Then I will try in a few places. Like this likely won't work. Nope. Oh, wait, it was too early. Still not working. Oh, wait, it should be after the clear. Oh my lord. Holy moly, we did it. We did it. It's so dumb. But I hacked the UI system to render a UI star component into into the background of the world rendering. Because why not? Okay, so should they move or not? That's my question. I think they should. I honestly think they shouldn't move in that way. So I want to. I want to try this. Though we need to reload. I wonder if I can. Yeah, it has a manual offset. Perfect, perfect. I already thought of this. I'm way too clever. So now I just need some kind of. I think this might work. Okay, so now I reload. So now it's going to be moving slightly. I might have to scale it in accordance with the what? No. No. Oh, because the debug one is. Huh? This actually makes no sense, so I will reload. Can you cycle the HSV to make them twinkle a bit? Like I don't think the individual ones would work. I'm just thinking. because the UI system is basically as the texture, and it's tiling it and moving it and like repeating them. What I can do is change the color, but it would be, yeah, exactly, it would be for all of them at once. What did I do now? I messed something up. So that would be like the limitation, and then it would be more like some I don't know. Do I need to? So annoying. I'm so close to the end, and now I need to restart, I think. Also, this thing was a catastrophe, I guess. Yeah. Like if it was like in shader, or you know, in that world, it would be a bit easier. But I don't have a, I mean, I could write one. It's not impossible. Just write a shader for it. Oh, they could also, what we could do is apply like a blur effect to make it look like we're not focusing on the star. Maybe when you zoom out, it changes as well. This is so stupid. Why it crash? Divide by 0. Sorry, what did I do now? This is hilarious. No, I do know that it's, oh, here we go. Tiling, offset, area dimensions is 0. And that would be the UI system. Huh? Oh, is it because, hold on. I wonder if... Like, this is not great, but we do need, I don't know if this is going to be... doesn't matter. I don't know why this is. Actually, my blur is extremely cheap. Star target. Oh, right, this thing. I think I talked about it last stream or 2 streams ago. I don't know if you were here, but I did do overhaul of the blur that I'm using for the game. I'm doing some unannounced console work, and just to make it cheaper, and I switched out an old box blur basically for a very modern, holy moly, this is annoying me, I'm not even sure what's going on. It's the tiling thing. I mean, I can, honestly, I can just fix this here. There we go. We need to restart. Yeah, right, blur. I updated box blur to double Cavase blur, it's called. And it's basically the blurs. If you ever use a UI that has a blur effect, for instance, I guess Windows 11, does that have blur? I don't remember. Like anything that's, you know, that frosted glass thingy, and it's super cheap in comparison to others, so it actually works really well. I'm so happy with it. Oh no, now I know it, and now it's stuck, right? This sucks so much. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm way too tired for this. Something. Yeah, it's the tiling with the stars. Not completely sure what's going on, but we'll see. If this doesn't work now, I quit here. I quit it. No, please. Okay, something happened. No. This is not why. This is not why. Why am I allocating 4 gigabytes of memory right now? Oh, this is why. What is going on? Bottom is... Huh? This is funny to me. It's funny and quite scary. What is going on? Okay, it just translates it to right. The PC Destroyer mod. This is kind of like a... Okay. Okay, now I have too much memory allocated, 5.4 gigabytes. For some reason, I think what's going on is this tiling thing executes kind of forever. And when it does that... Oh, I can't use it here because we're using it... Like, it works here in the background, but for some reason... Yeah, it starts allocating, probably because each of these draw calls adds some memory pressure in the background, and the more of them there are, the more expensive it gets, but I just don't see any reason for it to not work here. It's also possible I just messed something up here. I'm actually not going to spend too much more time on this, because this is a silly issue. Okay, let's move on. I wanted to see it so bad. Yes, go eat a noob. I will have a look at the thingy though that I wanted to fix for you. I just removed everything. I'm angry now. No, I'm not. What was the thing? Right, the default when you sell something. That would be zone service. I think we wasteify. That must be it. True. Oh, and it's hard-coded to be waste. I mean, of course. So why not do... Oh, not global. Do I have access to... No. I think this would be... No, is it level again? No, wait. Sorry. I truly don't remember. No, it might be Levelian store. Hold on. Default surface, good. Yep, that's the one. And now it should work. Not that I can test it. Oh, I can. I should be able to... It didn't work because this. So what we do now is we test it by not adding a mod, but changing the default surface to maybe like water or so. And then we buy a piece of a piece of shit, a piece of land, and then we sell it, and then we see what's happening. And then we should not get waste, but we should get the water back. Easy fix. See, I told you there was a good reason to not do an update yet. Sometimes it's good to wait and see, can you fix more things? There we go. So Levelian normally is waste everywhere. Let's do sand. That would be fun. When do we play? Maybe sand doesn't look different enough from waste, but we will see the difference, I think. Oh, don't stop. I so look forward so much to tech improvements I'm doing. That won't really end up in Horticular, but some things will be so much easier in the future. Ah, this was a bad idea. We don't have zone buying in the in the start of the game. We need to actually... Oh, look, sand. That's kind of cool. Like, what if you needed to add wells to get water and to be able to irrigate irrigate your garden? What can we do? We can do a dev test, I think. No, dev test doesn't work. That's true. It doesn't have the same default surface, I think. Okay, then we do creative sand, which is a good sign. Sand, and we're gonna fill it with a flower bed, and then we sell it, and it should be sand again. Yes! You're welcome, a noob, even though you didn't see it. Awesome. I mean, that makes sense. It was always an annoying hack to make, I think. I just think I never got around to fixing it because we didn't really need to at some point. But yeah. We did it. What can we say we did? Easy fix, I agree. So, what are happening? Okay. It is tire time. So what are we doing? We're putting, we're adding a dependency on the level gen store, and then from that one we're getting the default surface instead of just the hacked in waste one. And that's it. Perfect. Fix, selling, plot, not giving, default surface, back. I don't know what to call this. And make sure we get rid of the hack. Done. Another day, another fix. Any others? Well, it's getting late. Oh, I kind of need to round this stream off, I think. Oh, that's Swinglish, I think. It doesn't seem like English to me, at least. Ugh. Anything else that I should say or so? I don't think so. I think I have to bounce though because I'm so tired. I'm definitely... I don't know if you were here in the beginning, but I slept so bad I couldn't sleep until after 5 tonight. For some reason I was just hyper awake all night long. I fell asleep. I took a little lie-in the morning, but then it's been a long day anyway, so I'm a bit crummy right now. I need a shower, some food, a rest, and maybe I push the fix to the beta branch so a noob can test it out to get it working. Also, this camera mover thing is kind of bad. I feel like it's getting stuck on spot. Oh, okay. I take it. I just know if I did this one, redid it, I would use some neat spline curves to ensure it always ends up where I want it. But It's an old piece of code and I don't want to touch it. It's good enough. Yes, Rex, I will get some sleep. Thank you, Arugiro. Thank you, Anoop, for being here. Thank you, Waffles. I will see you at some point in the future. What's coming up? Not super much. It's like the usual things. There are one announcement still not available for announcing due to reasons neither I or Slug control right now, so it's going to hang in there for now. You have to hang in there for now, and yeah, I'm looking forward to the mod, and I think that's the thing. And for next stream, we will see how I manage. I really want to keep doing them. I just need to somehow figure out what to do in them, because I find it fun. It's fun for me. Okay, see ya next time, and finding the button. Nope, that was Slack. Slack, not Slack, Discord. Where is OBS? There we go. And goodbye.